What is up, family? It's your boy D coming right back at you with another one. Right now, what I have for you guys is a new project that I'm working on. As you can see, this is going to be a dual sub project. And as you can see, this is going to be a double stack magnet project. I love double stack, triple stack magnets. It usually indicate a whole lot of power and a little decent amount of X-Mag to boot. So let's jump right off into this thing. What are these? As you can see, this is a single voice coil subwoofer. A single voice coil subwoofer with staples stuck to the magnet. I got to get that off there. All right, so what you have here is, let's look at some of the constructioning of it. As you can see, the tinsel leads are woven into the spider. Kind of thin, in my opinion. But as long as they get the job done, you do have the screw type terminals right here. I prefer the push ones because they're a little quicker, but these here do ensure a tight fit. Just be careful and don't script them out. I do have two of these, and these are 4-ohm woofers. But what you guys may not be expecting from these woofers right here is the fact that these woofers are not your traditional woofers. Some people may be looking at this and wondering, what is that? Is it an 8? Is it a 10? Is it a 12? Is it a 15? Looking at how small this speaker is, the magnet is to his hand, it can't be a 15. I hope it's not a 15. Maybe it's an older 15. But in actuality, people, these are 6x9s. Can you believe that? I was looking to install these into my car a few months ago. The project never happened. I got too busy. So what I ended up doing was snatching them out. They've been sitting in my office for about 3 months now, and I wanted to do something with them. So I was browsing some of the YouTube channels yesterday, and I did notice that some guys were building towers, and they look damn good. And I see that these do have like little bullet tips and stuff on them. So I think that's look good cosmetically. I can't see any other reason why a person would put bullet tips on the subwoofer. But just to give you a little bit information and background about these subwoofers, these are truly subwoofers, and they are made from the company called Rockville. Okay, some of you guys may have heard of Rockville. They say 300 watts, but that's peak. They're actually 150 RMS, and these are 6x9s, as you can see. And I guess the surface area of a 6x9 would be in relation to that of an 8-inch woofer, maybe a little bit smaller. It is pressed paper cone, as you can see from there. And like I said, they are 4-ohm single voice coil woofers. And I picked these guys up for very, very cheap price. I think they was like $100 at the time that I purchased them. So what I want to do with these is build me a tower. I'm thinking about putting some mid-range drivers up top in the tower, and these here are going to go in the bottom cabinet of it, and it's going to be approximately 3 to 4 feet tall. I may make it 5 feet tall, depends on how crazy I get with it. But as you can see, this thing is massive. It got a massive magnet on it, double stack magnet on it. And usually when you see a double stack magnet, that indicates a lot of power, but it also indicates, in most cases, a lot of X-Max or a decent amount of X-Max. But in this case, I don't think that is what this is for. I don't think that this, just looking at the surround on it, I think this is like butyl rubber, and I think it's just a traditional roll surround. It's not like a high roll surround, so I don't think you can get any crazy excursion out of these things. But they do have a 2-inch voice coil, which does indicate more, linear control, and it also indicates a whole lot more cone control as far as like excursion. So I'm kind of interested to see what this is going to do once put inside the enclosure. So we do have parameters to this, and I am going to be building this. So just let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about these Rockvilles right here, and whether or not you guys want me to do actual video of me building this here, because I am going to build them. I just want to know if you guys want to actually see me build them or not. But that's all for right now. Until next time, it's your boy D. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the section below. And until next time, it's your boy D, and I'm out.